mukbang na tour hi jo la na arrange fek to mo ring light and then stool hi ti han kan da hey chair hi kan da eng lo hey hemia han kan thu thin ta ni chumo a chan chu do ka na sa na wang hey sana thara donga unboxing ka di du te hey
Sensible. Oh, here we go.
Casio. Show the box.
Box. Real fake.
So let me see. Ooh, it's so small. I think I will keep it myself.
We can get another one matching.
Nah, it's fine.
Okay.
Come on, let me see. It looks nice on you.
Yeah.
Okay. So kasi make mo paratha kang make kan chhun zong ni. Với nè, chuanin chhun kan ti chhun na kan ei chi kha kan nan ei don ni. Heta hanin jo la sanpiau mo. Tofu ka tel saka. Chuan chana. Ta han kei vuk ka chung nen ut. Hey be bo mo chili oil na charot purun se spring onion bakhor dania. Hello.
Hello.
Indamo.
Double.
Ole hey. Thil kan dai chau don ni. Chuanin what do we do before?
It tore done look to koi baby.
Tor tam ta ka ti chu.
Trong trà. Ola pa yang saknata hem theo pe ton ton tu ayan man min so mong che Krista kanal pazara. Amen.
Ay, Chana hi kai chak ko heavy. What's that?
Thingpui.
Sanpiau pot tui don. Paratha kan da rai do le to ma se he. La nem le come on. Dip the paratha in the chana.
Okay. Dip.
This is typical Mizo lunch, babe.
All right. Let's have some miso lunch.
Wait. 2 em.
Hey, look up.
Too heavy.
Amazing. Very lucky.
Mix all the sanpiau, put black pepper. What's that? Chili oil, spring onion, coriander,
Luxury.
cilantro, and tofu.
She made sanpiau last night, but it didn't keep. Should have put it in the fridge.
Yeah. I've added fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce. Too heavy. Bỏ sữa chanh cả một em nó xóa đây à?
Okay. Looks like you had enough flour.
Yeah. Mày đó.
Okay.
Kem đều lấy cả. Nhiều đô lớn một cái tem mà xem. Anh đều lên được xem mà. Swap trước mày. One more chili.
Yeah.
Mix. Hey, too heavy.
It was a very yummy dish.
So can get rid of it. Come on. What can I
So
do?
much variety we get. Variety of dishes.
Yeah. Prepare. Kan vlog video te min lo en sa kami lang lut sa kan lo luto ko niya Mukbang mấy đi đâu.
Look at the watch baby got me. She's very nice. Thank you, baby. Come on.
Chana and lemon. You like it?
I like it. It's not an expensive one. It has the clock face like this because sometimes I think I forget how to read one. But you can't forget actually.
Yeah. Once you know it, you know it.
Yeah.
Babe, I'll give you more spring onion.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
You want more chili oil?
Yeah. Lots of flavour in this one.
Looks tough. Xem lại cái thì làm cái tem không? Mấy rồi chứ? Rồi su đó. Bên trên bạc à? Bên nào sao? Bên giữa cùi rồi này. Ngay chú xem đấy thèm ai quên thèm đấy. Vậy anh thèm giọt xả. Ngọt và túi chắc này.
Very tough. You have some boxer for you?
Yeah. I just can't stop like
Eating?
reacting to it. It's so yummy.
Really? Each dish is so perfect.
Imam, yêu trừ khi cái tí nào về về tổ ta cái trang nghe tổ lúc tổ cái này chơi cái ống ống nghe ống phở tại đúng không? Vậy cái mình lâu anh tên này cho anh over the point mình lâu thì mới thế à? Cái trang nghe về tuổi mình. Dude, that sanpiau so much.
Yeah, this one's a good one. Usually I find it can be a bit boring, but it's very good. You think rice porridge is going to be a bit dull, but once you add a bit of pepper and stuff, it's really good. It's good to order on the street. It's really cheap, isn't it?
Yeah. You want more tea?
Oh,
Or
yeah.
you still have it?
Oh.
I can thingpui no tarka. I try it up soon.
We don't have thingpui so much, so it's a good special occasion.
Thingpui cảnh ngay nó phát lẩu mồi rồi này không? Cảnh cũng khác. What is the note? They're crying so much.
Tired.
Three cap. You want chili oil here?
Yeah.
Like the chana?
Yes. Yeah, Chana's good. I prefer chickpeas, I think.
Look at it, it's been a while. It's been a long time. That's why I'm craving so much. Exactly. Chana hay tiệm cái xẻo hay cho something I always remember.
From childhood.
I remember marrow.
Marrow.
When we were in Pune, she used to work which is very close to my house. So for her lunch, I used to prepare this. I prepare this for her, and then she come home for lunch. Like
Oh.
marrow more mine now here. cái in loạn nó bùi khai nã thọc chỉ nó mong.
Is that my sister?
Yeah, my sister. Now she is missionary. Missionary ni to mo tun chan. Missionary na kala.
She's in a school. Make a little house for her.
Yeah. Chanin lunch hun hianin I ka vaso ma chanai ka siam sak thin mo tui hi ti thei lo to.
Got a nice curly hair like Fluffy, hasn't she?
No.
No? A different one.
Oi ka pour there me. You want more sanpiau?
Okay.
I'll finish this first and then I'll give you half.
That's a good plan.
Oi, I drop.
Yeah.
Get cut one.
What about thingpui? Want to have some of that? Okay, pour. Save some for you.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Seems like you've been creating controversy online
Me?
with comments about men and women.
Nah, it's good.
Okay.
It's all good. It's the truth.
All right. You talk the truth, do you?
I did not say anything bad about men, or I did not say anything bad about women.
No? Who are you saying bad?
Huh?
Who are you saying bad about?
No one. 你爸不过水起来哇，没吃不过水起来哇。啊，水呢生什么？tungin ka video dah vlog ah. May papakatiam. Chom lom. Tirang nga tirang. Chom lom ini kami ron tile. Chua lah mom. Cucu ka sila. Bila wat pui ni chu. Em ai chom lom bui te.
Yeah.
Really?
What?
Em ai chom lom.
Some, I am.
I explained it to you what is chom lom. Sucking, not doing anything and sucking others like for food and everything.
Well, if you are, you're working a lot to cook this food.
Người đàn cho cái tệ cả.
Some long.
No, some men they say if you're not earning money,
Oh.
if you do all the household work or anything, they still consider it chom lom.
I don't think people should focus so much on money. You know, like you need money for rent and food, but talking about someone else's circumstances, it's not really good. I mean, baby's just talking in general. She doesn't know everyone's circumstances as well. So, of course, some people will work, some won't, and that's just life.
Which one?
Who cares?
Ooh, spicy. I ate the marcha.
It's not good to criticize others, really.
Miso Aussie Mukbang.
Otherwise, you might find people criticizing you, right, baby?
Mi nghĩ lại thì một thay lâu lúc có sự sẽ lâu. Cảnh nghĩ cái này mình nghĩ lại rồi á. Anh huấn bốc xí lâu cho nên mà nhìn chấm na, sim lặng gì.
I think there's one left.
No, you have bây giờ kapor mày.
Kapor? Kapor wow.
You want more sanpiau?
I don't think so. Better stop. Otherwise, maybe we'll have to get a cart. And then she'll be really sucking me into the bedroom. Get in, because you're too tired, you can't move. But today, actually, the Prime Minister of Australia was visiting Hanoi.
Really?
Yeah.
You should have gone and like.
Oi! Apparently, he's given 105 million Australian dollars for green energy transition in Vietnam. Yeah.
How much?
$105 million.
Wow.
Yeah.
They should write an email to him, you know?
Huh? Wow, you know.
Yeah. I know what you did to Vietnam. I am here, your citizen.
Yeah.
That money should come to me.
No.
It's for a good cause. So.
Yeah, well, I suppose they should try and find renewable sources of energy.
Oh.
Apparently, there's also the Australian agency Austrac, which tracks money. They're going to help out the State Bank of Vietnam to stop money laundering. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
But if you
I
want
think it's
to,
quite common, right? Money laundering over here.
Yeah, I don't think it's very transparent.
Because they're dealing with cash, which the bank cannot track.
It's also funds from that should be paid as tax. They just don't try to avoid it. I just don't know where the money went. It's not small time people, it's the big one. It's also money launderers, not just from Vietnam, from any country. It's drug dealers, they just need to get their clean money back to their country.
I know.
So they use other countries. I heard one story about these North Korean hackers. What did they do? They stole money from Bangladesh Bank.
Ooh.
And,
Online.
Yeah, 100 million US.
Wow.
Because Fridays is like a Ramadan day, no one's there. Also, that day happened to be a public holiday in the US.
Yeah.
So they managed to take the funds, tell the transfer to happen, and then transfer the money, not all of it, but a lot of most of it. Then it got transferred to all these different accounts, and some of it went to a Filipino bank. So they had to get the money out of the bank in Philippines. They were giving them so much money. Here we want to withdraw $50,000 or $20 million in Filipino pesos. They were giving them this trolley of money, lots of cash, just in big trolley, and they went and filled a car with them. Then, because they need to get the cash back to North Korea or whatever, they then go and play baccarat.
That's crazy.
At the casino. And baccarat works that there's only two players, one and I don't know, but so you've got 50-50 chance of winning.
Yeah.
So both of them play. So both of the North Koreans play both sides. So they win, they lose, they don't care.
Yeah.
They just try to clean the money up, get a blank check. Take the check back to wherever the hell they want to go.
I think even most of the celebrities who have lots of money, they open international bank account under a different name, and to avoid tax.
Is that what you do, baby?
Exactly.
Where's your money at?
Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching.
Gibraltar? Cayman Islands?
Done. Ole ole. Bye bye oh.
Bye bye oh.
Kan puare, kan fani.
The boy, Kafani.
Mwah.
Whoa.